How to download and install Rednote app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Rednote application. So here you can see the Rednote application. I've already installed it, so I'm just gonna tap on open. Now it will land us to the home page of the Rednote application. So just tap on agree over here in order to start the process of creating and installing the application on the device. So just wait and make sure you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Now here you can see the option of login over here, and you can also see the option of other login methods. So tap on other login methods over here, or you can just directly tap on login but first tap on the agreement action over here. So you can either log in with your mobile number or even you can use your Google ID. I'm going to use Google ID over here. So first agree to the terms and then tap on the Google account, and as I tap on Google, it will just give you different applications or different email IDs that you have. So you can select whichever one is more convenient for you or you want to associate with this one. So just tap on the application or the email ID over here. Now as you do that, it will start a process. Now you just have to select your gender and select your age and then tap on next. And as I tap on next, you can select your interest over here. So I'm going to just select very randomly over here. So let's do this and tap on start exploring. So you just have to give access to your contacts and many other things, so you can see. So tap on next over here, tap on giving permissions, and there you go, you have downloaded and installed Rednote app. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.